1. Prepare the base. In a clean mixing container, pour in distilled or deionized water. Use a heat source gently if you want to help dissolve solid ingredients. 2. Mix surfactants. Gradually add the surfactants. Start with sodium lauryl sulfate, stirring gently to avoid excessive foam. Follow with cocamidopropyl betaine and sodium cocoa sulfate. Continue to mix until well combined. Three. Add builders. Introduce the builder, sodium citrate or sodium carbonate, into the mixture while stirring until fully dissolved. Five. Incorporate preservatives and fragrance. After achieving the desired consistency, add preservatives and fragrance. Ensure even distribution by stirring thoroughly. Add thicken. Slowly sprinkle the thickening agent, xanthan gum, the mixture while stirring continuously to prevent clumping. If using salt, sodium chloride, gradually add it in small amounts and stir until the desired viscosity is reached.
Six. Coloring. If desired, if you want your detergent to be tinted, add the coloring agent while ensuring sufficient mixing. Use small amounts until you reach the desired color.